Again, it's more almost one of these final videos for that of May 22nd, 2025. And of course, everything on my fear and greed index and my stocks and everything up went up. And I was watching that of the good old VIX. And of course, it went from 68 to back down to 66. And my SQQ moved a little bit. So I thought, uh-oh. But right now, I'll reset it right here. Just show you. This little baby right here is the determining factor. If this hits there and goes up, good. If it goes down below that, that's good. And goes back up, that's fine. But if it hits this and then all of a sudden it starts doing this kind of stuff, then you know you're heading south. So that's where I'd start selling off my stocks that I made with all of this. All of that right there. I saw a little bit of unpleasantness in the market after day 3. Friday was Monday was woo. Tuesday was and yesterday I was like, okay, well, I'm not chancing anymore, so I just sold a whole bunch of stuff off that I made profit with from here all the way up to here. Sold off right down here. That was yesterday on the 21st. I sold off a whole whack of stuff. And then it started going up, and now it's going backwards again. So you have to have a planned strategy for both going forward and going backwards. And that's pretty much what all my channel is all about here. Looking at this and figuring out where things are going and highly profiting from the stock market. And of course, the fear and greed index, as you can see right here, things are starting to go sideways. So when they usually go sideways, this is something that usually happens. Can't say it will or will not, but usually the trend is your friend, right? And of course, this has peaked and now is going downwards. So same with that put and calls, same thing here. When this is going down, it's good. When it starts going up, yikes. You're going the other direction. Same with this one here too. And this, of course, is going down. Will it turn? I don't know. We'll find out. That's a big contributing factor right there. And of course, this here, where is it? There we go. That was the 16th. So let me look on the calendar. That was Friday. So that says everything right there. On Friday, I noticed my SQQ being activated. So that was a telltale sign that, yep, things are going weird. And by the time Monday came along, things were down. By Tuesday come along, it was like, oh, that's not good. By Wednesday, I sold off a whole bunch of stuff. So now we're going backwards again. So looks like we're still falling. So this stuff is huge factors on where everything's going. So it could hit here and go back up, or it could hit here, go down a little bit, and then go back up, or it could hit here and just start sliding like here. That is a good possibility these days. I'm ready for anything. You have to have both sides ready, the SQQ and all your stocks that you're going to make profit with ever since this here. You buy at the bottom, and the bottom was that of May the 8th. And then you start loading up on stocks. As this climbs, start loading up, loading up, loading up, loading up, loading up. You get to right here in this area. You load up here. You load up here. You load up here. You start slowly loading up again. And then you hope to push for the 75. Of course, that didn't happen. It went back to that of 66 and then went back up to 68 today. So I thought, oh, that's good. And back to 66. So again, once more, there's still yuckiness in the market. So just wait. See what happens Friday. See if my SQQ goes up again. Will be another contributing factor of what's going to happen on Monday. It may or may not, but usually when that begins to go hairy-carry, then you know that something's on the horizon to do some more falling. So that's my way of putting it. Anyway, have yourselves a very good day. Subscribe for way more. Check out my community page. That's where I have all the stocks I'm trading, everything I'm doing, selling, buying, watching, you name it. My community page is right there. Have yourselves a very good day. Subscribe for way more. Check out my community page. And just like that, the Fear and Greed Index and I are out the door. Ciao for now.